echt heiß heute.
Sicher wieder irgend so ein neuer Hitzerekord.
35 Grad im Schatten. Was kann man gegen diese Hitze tun? Soll man sich Eisbeutel an den Kopf halten?
Hello, this is Kai. Here is my answer. To slow down climate change, the best thing you can do is study at Katsua Institute of Technology.
Here, you'll study how human lifestyles affect the climate, together with hundreds of scientists from various institutes. Soil, water, air, and underground systems. The mission? A world worth living in, with healthy ecosystems. To overcome problems and secure the natural basis of life, humankind needs to better understand the Earth system. Help document the changes in our atmosphere. To understand the processes behind the weather and water cycle. Keep an eye on the changing Earth system. Up-to-date and high-quality research data is the key to accurate weather forecasts and improved climate modelling. Work on methods to give nature more space. Use simulations to understand natural disasters and to help adapt to them. Explore how the Earth's resources can be used responsibly. Help establish a sustainable circular economy. Find creative ways to improve the quality of life in cities. A world of questions and challenges is waiting for you and your answers. Acquire the knowledge you need to live and work more sustainably in one of the many future-oriented degree programs of KIT. Why not start here?